I don't know if I pick this good about now, knocking you.
No, I just give you.
My friend, look out of here.
2 by 4 square meter by 3 by 3.
Brother, what's going on? Why are you looking like this? What are you looking
No, get one land. Really, they ask me for Damakaza, but that on that side. I want to go.
You want to sell someone's land?
No, I won't go.
It's my thief there. I know. That's not what I'm here for. Let me just. You know what I'm coming from that side. You don't believe it. Hello, my jet. You know what happened? What happened? One day, I was walking like this. I want to come and tap his nash. Because he's like, me.
Money, waiting this one, Papa, they talk.
You know, continue. It's not NDL. That really said someone was tapping palm wine. The owner asked him, "What are you doing with palm wine? You are tapping it for me." I was just watching. I was enjoying the fight. The fight should not stop. But you know what happened? Then I stopped the fight eventually. That's why I left. Such come and she as my good friend.
Eventually, stop the fight. So, let me tell you something. What did you say? You have something else to say?
No, I don't have anything.
Let me tell you something. What happened. See, this life, it's not good to be talkative.
Are you trying to stop me?
I'm not. I'm telling you the truth. I see like as big boy. I see like I know you have a prophet. You have a vision. You have a vision for life. I know it. I can see it. Because as you are looking at everybody, you look at me, Sam today. Look at Donnie. You are looking at everything like that. You are not looking at yourself. Focus in life. Life's all about focus. If you focus, all this talk you are talking is miserable. It's not helping matters. It's miserable.
For gist
So,
again.
with this, that's why I did consider to even why I'm your friend. You don't help matters.
Is it?
You don't but when you say later do that man.
I should tell you. After insulting me,
I insult you. I just tell you things are
must be a fool. If that don't know if I pick this good about now, knocking you.
no, I just give you
My friend, look out of here.
make I know they give you advice.
Madira o, epo pa.